درجات منه ومغفرة ورحمة وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
For them are ranks, forgiveness and favors from Him. Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.
إن الذين توفاهم الملائكة ظالمي أنفسهم قالوا فيم كنتم قالوا كنا مستضعفين في الأرض قالوا ألم تكن أرض الله واسعة فتهاجروا فيها فأولئك مأواهم جهنم وساءت مصيرا.
While taking the souls of those who were engaged in wronging themselves, the angels asked, "In what circumstances were you?" They replied, "We were too weak and helpless in the land." The angels said, "Was not the earth of Allah wide enough for you to emigrate in it? For such persons, their refuge is hell, an evil destination indeed."
إلا المستضعفين من الرجال والنساء والولدان لا يستطيعون حيلة ولا يهتدون سبيلا.
Except the men, women and children who were indeed too feeble to be able to seek the means of escape and did not know where to go. Maybe Allah shall pardon these, for Allah is all pardoning, most forgiving.
فَأُولَئِكَ عَسَى اللَّهُ أَن يَعْفُوَ عَنْهُمْ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَفُوًّا غَفُورًا. وَمَن يُهَاجِرْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ يَجِدْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُرَاغَمًا كَثِيرًا وَسَعَةً وَمَن يَخْرُجْ مِن بَيْتِهِ مُهَاجِرًا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ ثُمَّ يُدْرِكْهُ الْمَوْتُ فَقَدْ وَقَعَ أَجْرُهُ عَلَى اللَّهِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ غَفُورًا رَحِيمًا.
He who emigrates in the way of Allah will find in the earth enough room for refuge and plentiful resources. And he who goes forth from his house as a migrant in the way of Allah and His Messenger, and whom death overtakes, his reward becomes incumbent on Allah. Surely Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.